Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get and view your Verizon call history. So a lot of people are having this problem. They want to get a copy of their phone calls. So the solution, okay, this is the official solution from Verizon, right? So you either go ahead and log into your Verizon app or on the My Verizon website. Log in, and then I need you to do this, okay? Head over to account and then head to usage, right? Once you click on usage, you want to click on history, and then you will have to select your date range from the calendar. And once you select your date range, you'll be able to see all your calls right there, okay? So this has actually helped multiple people, as you can see, right? Well, it's really that easy and simple, so I hope this can provide value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.